Hello! Super short experiment video today, so I'm only using 10 milliliters of resin. Had some glow in the dark powder for a while now, and I was wondering if they were still good. So, like any reasonable person, I tested it while making dice instead of sticking them into the sun. I split that roughly in half after mixing it. So in one container, I put the tiniest bit of the powder. They're relatively heavier than mica powder, so I was trying to avoid putting so much that it just sinks to the bottom of the resin it was mixed in. Next, I poured about a half to a third from the top of the mold with the normal resin. Then added 1 or 2 drops of alcohol ink in before adding the glow mix. Similar method as the smoky dice. Then it was into the pot at 32 psi for about 48 hours because I was too lazy to take them out the next day. Now for the fun part. I set the dice in front of a UV light for about a minute and BAM! Powder is still functional. The resin it was mixed with did sink to the bottom like I figured, so next time I'll mix it in the entire thing and see how that plays out. I did notice that the glow faded out pretty fast. Not sure if that's due to not charging in the UV for long or if that's just how this powder works. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed. Keep a lookout for the actual glow set I make. Like, sub, comment. Okay, bye.